Hello everyone and welcome back. We have an exciting puzzle today. Bam! The Sanyojan Puzzle Lock. This is a very exciting puzzle for me since this is my first metal puzzle lock. So I've been very much looking forward to tackling this puzzle and seeing what's in store for us. So let's just get right into it. We'll get this key removed and see if it opens the lock. My guess is it won't. Just a hunch. If there's even oh, there's a key slot in the back. Let's just take a moment to look at this puzzle. It's a beauty. Brass and iron. Very, very nice looking puzzle lock. And it looks like a good one to start off with. Nope, key doesn't work. No surprise there. Got this, kind of rotates an inner piece here. Just looks like maybe move that out of the way to actually use the key. If the keys even use it all. Could just be a red herring. Feels kind of spring-loaded. Have all sorts of knobs here that partially spin and kind of move around a little bit. Oh, this one spins much more than all the others. Oh, so does this one. Do any of these spin? No, those feel pretty solid. Nothing on the bottom either, and the sides all look pretty clear. So, looks like this is probably where we have to start. Oh! This one's not spinning so much anymore. Oh, now it's spinning. Okay, now this one's not spinning, so these two are kind of interlocking. Let's set this down. Let's see if these two have any relation. Oh, yes, they do. So now that one's freely spinning. Oh, now this one can spin. Now this one can spin. No, nothing there. And none of these want to kind of pull out either. This one doesn't want to seem... Oh, maybe? Is it right there? Nope, that one doesn't want to seem to spin. So I think I'll kind of reverse the order, maybe go back the other direction. Ooh, now this puzzle is oily. Okay, so now that's spinning. Now that spins. That spins. This one feels a bit stiffer than all the other. Oh, well, maybe it's freely spinning now. Yeah. Probably just a little bit of a inconsistency. Huh. Oh, didn't start my timer. My bad. That's okay. Just too excited to get started on this puzzle. No matter what we do, I cannot get this one right here to rotate. Unless maybe that last one is directly interlocked with that brass one on the back. Could be. Okay, I got that one freed up. Yeah, I definitely feel a little bit of interaction between these two, but nothing seems to get it to rotate. I'll try maybe these two. No. Maybe we need to go back around the opposite way. Go and get each one to spin and see if it interacts here at all. No. Oh, there we go. Oh, yep. Yep, I finally got this one right there to start rotating, and it has released this piece right here, and you're gonna see it's opening up the keyhole. So flip that around, use the key. And there we have it. That, I believe, is solved. Not bad. So 4 minutes there on the timer, and then probably another roughly 10 minutes before I started recording, or before I started the timer. Very, very cool puzzle. Kinda wanna know how all that works. Wish I could see the inside. I think this one was rated a level 10. I don't think I would agree with that rating. This was probably more of a 7, maybe an 8 from my experience with puzzles I've done so far. But nevertheless, a very fun puzzle. I wonder if there's anything else to it. Got that. And that should lock it. Yep. Nothing there. And let's see if we can get this reset. Okay, spin that around. Okay, I think that's locked. Maybe. Alright, now that's locked. Okay, that spins. Now that can't spin. And that can spin. Perfect. Alright, rotate that. Rotate that. And that. And that. And that. And that. And last but not least, get this last one to spin. I will say that it is refreshing that this puzzle wasn't kind of already solved on its own from the get-go. Sometimes with these puzzles that have rotating mechanisms like this, you receive the puzzle and it's practically already solved for you. Alright, that one spins. That doesn't spin. Alright, we are back at the beginning. Perfect. Well, there we have it. The Sanyojan Puzzle Lock. Fun lock, a little bit simple, but it was very enjoyable and good looking lock too. It'll look good with the rest of my puzzles in my collection. So, thanks everyone for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Till next time, later.